Good morning guys.
We are now in Chester and we're going for a nice walk.
An urban walk all the way around the city wall of Chester.
With Jason and Paula.
They are right here behind us. Hi! They also vlogging, so yes. If you want to see that channel, I'll put a link down below. And we're going to show you Chester.
So come along.
So this is the first steps on the wall.
I don't know if this is where it starts. No, I can't remember where
the actual start point is.
No, we'll point it out to you when we get there.
Alright.
No.
So you may be wondering now, he's been let out of his pen, why he's just come over here now and he's doing this. And if I walk away, you'll see that because I've got the food, he'll follow me everywhere I go. And sometimes they're over in North Wales when I go walking out with the dogs, I'll often take this bird with me. And he'll just walk like the dogs because he doesn't want to fly, because that's burning up energy. He's got no interest in being free and feeling the wind beneath his wings and so on. You know, that's all human made up.
There you go. Anybody want to come out and fly pipsqueak? Quite small, I'm only feeding them little bits of food on that hand for me, that's it. The only reason I'm feeding them small bits of food is, but in the winter months, because these guys are so small, they hunt rodents, and as rodents tend to... There you go.
I'm going to try and hold the snake. I've never done this in my life, so hold thumbs for me. This is my bravery going to a high level.
Everybody thumbs up for Rochelle. Press the thumbs up button. Hit the like button for Rochelle if she does it. And if she don't, press the thumbs down button.
Shaking it. You touching it?
Right, if I hold the body, I'll hold it there and here.
Okay.
And don't squeeze, nice and loose. You want to relax and just relax.
And how does it feel?
It feels really strange.
What you're holding there is a pure muscle snake. 10,000 bones.
Wow.
Muscle. In the body. From the middle of South Africa.
What snake is this?
A royal python.
Royal python.
Python?
Yeah.
I've seen you been bitten.
No, that's my other snake.
Oh, you've got more?
I've got 3 snakes.
Oh wow.
I'm training up at the moment.
And he can grow.
I've got a 6 foot power at home. 6 foot.
He can grow quite big, this one?
Not near 5 foot.
Oh, 5
foot.
Okay.
She lives here now. But I have another 3 at home. So total snakes I have about 4.
Oh wow. And they're bigger?
6 foot one is the biggest one. Oh. My biggest girl. She's a rainbow boa from Brazil.
Oh wow, so beautiful.
Does this envenomate or is it a constrictor?
That's my first time holding a snake today, guys.
It was really fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, my bravery went to extreme. But I'm glad I did it. It was a small one, but I'm alright with that.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Now we're going carry on walking, isn't
We're
it?
going to carry on walking.
And the city wall of Chester.
Yes.
And after that,
We're going to have a pub lunch.
a pub lunch, Sunday roast, isn't
Sunday roast.
it? Looking forward to that.
Yes, I'm sure you are. Oh. Hey, there's a train railway here.
Yeah.
We are now at an English pub and we're going to have an English roasted
Sunday lunch.
Sunday lunch with Jason and Paula.
That's Jason, that's Paula. And we have to introduce Thomas yet. Hi Thomas. Well, hi guys, that was the Sunday walk, Sunday roast, together with Jason, Paula and Thomas.
It's a lovely day today.
It was really lovely stroll around the city walls of Chester. Hope you liked the video.
So please subscribe, leave a comment down below.
Yes, and thumbs up. If you want to see
see
Jason's
Jason's
videos,
videos.
I put a
Link down below.
I put a link down below, so you can check his videos out as well. Well, peace.
Peace. Check you guys later. Bye bye.